It was a thriving family neighborhood, filled with neighbors who cared for one another, who just kind of watched over, protected, each other. We had almost like they call it like mayors of blocks, to make sure that the blocks were well taken care of, well maintenance. The kids had they had that respect and of authority. Growing up in this neighborhood was something to really have as an example of how you would like to live in your future. What neighborhood or type of environment, that you would like to live in. And that's how wholesome, Poppleton was, back in the day. We had rec centers, we had schools, we had playgrounds. It was close proximity to downtown. As young people, you could walk downtown to the movie theaters. When the movie theaters were downtown, you had the 1000 block of West Fayette Street. HomeFree has preserved that block, by purchasing all of the vacant houses that were in that block, rehabbing them, restoring them, and then putting them on the market for sale, for bringing back the home ownership opportunities that were here, in the past. So that investment helped spur other investment. It